Hello Makle, today's vlog is about the scenic helicopter ride over the Apostles. There are like three options. One is from 12 Apostles to London Bridge, which is the shortest 15 minutes ride, which comes to like $145 per person. And the other two are like a little bit longer, one to the Bay of Islands and the other to the Cape Otway Lighthouse, which is around an hour scenic ride.
Do not enter the heliport unless accompanied by staff. Walk only on the footpath provided. Do not run.
We took the 15-minute ride from the Apostles to the London Bridge and back. The kids were trying to pose for a pic and they were so happy about their headset and able to communicate.
We gotta lift off.
Are you super excited?
Yes.
இது கேக்குறதா
எனக்கு கேக்குது
இருக்கு
Look down.
Lifting off.
Here we go.
Oh
my god.
Oh, wow.
This is so cool. Oh my god, they're running away.
Wow,
Oh,
this is
wow.
awesome, isn't it, Bob?
It's unreal.
Amazing. This is so amazing.
This is the takeoff from my side of the window.
Here we go. Oh my god.
These are the Apostles on the right. They run from the lookout out to the big square rock ahead of us with the grassy top.
One. There's so many apostles, right?
I counted only 8.
Yeah, there's only 8 apostles. Because we have to, because some of them just eroded away.
I know.
So this is the last of the Apostles with the grassy top. All the formations from here onwards have their own names that are not a part of the Apostles.
Oh.
But the Twin Sisters and the Salt and Pepper Shaker
Over there.
and the Razorback Ridge.
The weather was so beautiful that day. It was so sunny. The water was just sparkling. It was so beautiful to view from above.
And Muttonbird Island has the grassy top.
Whoa.
That's home to the shearwater bird.
That's a tiny island, Akka.
Bob, Bob. Another one off my wish list.
Amazing. Akka, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
We got the Baker's Oven, which is that cheesecake shaped formation. Gets its name from that little oven cutout shape in the center of it.
But what about it?
Wow, look at the sea. So pretty. Look at it.
எல்லாம் மாதிரி
So this is Sentinel Rock, standing at 200 feet tall. That's the largest rock in the national park.
That's so cool.
The largest rock.
ஓகே
How fast are we going in the air?
We're flying 180 k's an hour.
180 k's.
Yep.
Oh.
This is the township of Port Campbell. Port Campbell has about 600 permanent residents.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Enjoy the view, Sarvesh. Wow, that's so much. That's looks nice, right? Amma, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you loud and clear. Oh, look at that hole in front of you.
Yeah, that's
there's an
gonna
arch
be
there.
so
You see
cool
that?
if we just do that.
இது உன் பக்கத்துல ஒரு hole
So we've got the
தெரியுது.
archway sticking up on the cliff face ahead of us. It's a formation that's being shaped by the waves crashing through the centre of that cliff.
Oh, look at that formation.
Yeah, it's kind of like an arch shape. Hollowed out.
Yeah.
We got the London Bridge just around this corner. The London Bridge prior to 1990 was a double span archway, which is why it was originally named the London Bridge. But in 1990, the archway connecting it to the land collapsed. So there is only one single archway standing today. London Bridge down on the right hand side.
That's interesting.
So this is Baker 7. You can see that small arch in the middle.
Look.
The London
That
Bridge
was-
down on the left hand side there.
In January 1990, the bridge connecting the arch and the mainland collapsed, and that's why London Bridge is more of an island now.
I can see the road, Akka. Look.
So that's the end of the trip. We are now going back. Great Ocean Drive is one way to enjoy this natural beauty, but this helicopter ride shows the complete beauty of this place from above.
I'm taking the video, Ma.
Thank you.
Appa, how is it?
It's amazing. I told
Appa,
you guys.
how is it?
Excellent.
We've got the township Port Campbell. Nice overview of the whole town from up here. We've got the Sentinel Rock standing at 200 feet tall. That Horseshoe Cove just after that, you can see that big horseshoe cut out shape in the cliff face.
Oh, the horseshoe. It's shaped like a horseshoe again.
இந்த பக்கமும் நிறைய ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு.
I caught that.
எவ்வளவு ஸ்லோவா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல?
It's peaceful.
Why are you calling me Appa?
The one calling you.
Oh, Appa is calling me.
No.
The Sherbrooke River winding into that little valley. We've got Muttonbird Island with the grassy top, Lockhart Gorge where the car park on top of the cliff face.
That's shaped like an S. So many opposals. Appa, it's so cool, right?
Yeah, it is.
The Razorback Ridge, Salt and Pepper Shaker and the Twin Sisters. And the Apostles start from the square rock with the grassy top. They run out to the lookout from their 7 rocks in that group. Those are the apostles. So it doesn't include the 2 rocks on the opposite side of the lookout, which have their own names called Gog and Magog.
What the pilot says is that there are like now totally 7 apostles that are like visible. And there are like 2 rock formations outside of the apostles called as Gog and Magog, which is not considered part of the apostles itself.
Read about it. Oh my god, this is color change. Yeah, this is the ocean. The clear blue ocean. Oh.
This is a really unique landscape on the Southern Ocean. Especially these 7 limestone stacks form remaining pieces of mainland Australia. And if you are ever in Victoria, please do visit Great Ocean Road and enjoy the natural beauty.
Waves are so perfect. Talk like this.
Hear me? You hear me now, Mitra? What did you say?
It said the waves are so perfect.
Bob. Tilting again
Woo!
now.
This is so
சர்வேஷ் மேல பாரு அது சுத்தும் பாரு ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆகும்போது 33 ல இருந்து அப்படியே சுத்தும் பாரு வெஸ்ட் வருது பாரு திருப்பி
Huh?
மேல இருக்கிற பால் பாரு அது சுத்தும் டர்ன் பேக்
Oh, there's a triangle lake. It's
Yeah,
a triangle.
now it's going to north.
Pointing at the north.
It's like a photo.
Is that natural? There's so many birds. They're so low to the ground. Sheep are running away. Yeah, sheep always run away when there's something always flying.
Adding some pics here.